Well, good evening, and today I'm going to respond the questions of the survey. About the first one, how the GPUs work? Well, regarding to the first question about the technical performance of the GPU, this graphic processing unit is used to manage and perform image rendering operations with thousands of cores at the same time. First, the GPU divides the operation in small tasks which it assigns the different streaming multiprocessors. These multiprocessors perform the operations and in calculation threads, and finally these operations are stored and the results are sent to the CPU if it is necessary to finish with other processes and not so specific to the GPU. Well, in our instance, as far as difference between the GPUs and the CPUs, mainly the main difference is between these two lies in their utility for each. CPUs are designed to perform diverse and less massive processes tasks, while GPUs are designed to perform a massive and parallel processing tasks to optimizing the data processing in the process.
Well, to continue, why the GPUs are so important to the AI industry? Well, it is so also important to highlight the great usefulness of the GPUs are in the AI industry. In this is to the massive processing of data at the same time. This is necessary to optimize the process and generate great efficiency in deep learning, for example, or maybe in autonomous driving process. Well, NVIDIA has a large line of product segments, which are aimed at different segments of its abroad market. Mainly, NVIDIA has four series or segments. For example, the first one is GeForce series, mainly for gaming industry. The other one is Quadro series, are GPUs oriented to architecture, engineering, and graphic design segments. Next, Tesla series focus in AI, in autonomous driving and deep learning. And finally, Jetson series is oriented to part of AI, especially in robotics. Well, continue with the competitive landscape of NVIDIA. Its most direct competitor is clearly AMD, which is not only the second largest GPU company in the world, but also has products that compete directly with GeForce GPUs, which are Radeon GPUs in the gaming industry and the Radeon Pro GPU in the market professional graphic market. Also, AMD's product advantage lies in custom architecture for video games and that require demanding graphics processing. Finally, AMD can compete on price with NVIDIA. So it is a clear competitor, especially in the gaming industry. In terms of the GPU market, the next largest competitor is Intel, which competes slightly in the gaming industry and also in the data center. For example, some of the products are the Intel Data Center GPU, in which the company has managed to develop and integrate processor architecture that allows integrate GPU and CPU operation, making a data processing more efficient. Finally, Google has developed the TPU, Tensor Processing Unit, which is its own AI accelerator. This product competes directly with NVIDIA's GPUs in artificial intelligence segments. This particular product is powered by TensorFlow, which is a deep learning library, which improves the acceleration of data processing, creating shorter iterations. NVIDIA has great competitive advantages in its market. Respect to the product, the company is constantly innovating and has a lot of value, add value in its products. For example, NVIDIA has introduced innovations such as Tensor cores for AI and ray tracing cores for graphics. These cores benefit the efficiency of deep learning models compared to competitors. As for ray tracing cores, the quality of these cores ensures a perfect harmony between lighting effects, shadows, and reflection, ensuring a unique quality in a competitive market. Also, the graphic quality is enhanced by deep learning, super sampling that uses AI to give graphics a unique realism by increasing the number of frames in video games, giving user a unique experience. Another important component of the add value offered by the company is related to the efficiency and power of its GPUs. The performance per watt of energy used by the average NVIDIA's GPUs is the lowest in the semiconductor industry, which is crucial for data centers and mobile devices.